In this video, we will adjust the layout of the new mobile version we've just created. A quick trick when getting started is to use the Command-A shortcut to select all objects on the canvas and then manually align them to the center in this case. This will get you one step ahead of the curve. Now that we have some of the elements where we want them, we can start making micro adjustments to each individual section. One thing you may have noticed is when we select a text object, the selection color is now different. That's because when you create a new variant, Ceros will automatically sync any text changes made between them. So you only have to edit it in one place when updating. These changes are only to the characters and spacing on the page, so you can still customize the font styles if necessary. Additionally, you can always turn off text syncing in the Design tab of the Inspector panel. Remember, at any time, you can always load up a quick preview to see how your experience is coming together across each device type. This is looking great. In the next video, we're going to adjust any faulty interactions.